Indeed, a master in the folk, uncle with a beard, using only a few mirrors, and a discarded satellite TV dish, can transform them into a solar cooker, capable of boiling water and cooking meals with ease, and it's highly energy efficient and environmentally friendly, very popular in rural areas, saving a lot on gas expenses each year. Next, let's follow the narrator to see how Uncle with a beard makes it all. At this moment, you can see Uncle turning the mirrors into a square shape. Then using a ruler to measure 5 centimeters on the edges, following that, he divides the entire large mirror into small squares, each measuring 5 centimeters, after completing the drawings. He numbers the small squares, based on the center, so as not to get confused during assembly. Then, according to the drawn lines, he uses a glass cutter to cut them all out one by one. Once all the cutting is done, he packs them up for installation. Next is the process of removing the discarded satellite TV dish and drawing a rectangle in the middle, which he then cuts out using an angle grinder. Next, he cuts a piece of steel and welds it in the middle of the previous TV satellite dish. Connection seat. After welding, he sprays it with high-temperature rust-proofing agent. Following that, he assembles the bottom bracket of the connection seat. Then, he puts the satellite dish on top and secures it with screws. The next step is to gently tap the previously drawn mirrors into rectangles with a hammer, and then move them away from the table by hand. Here, it's essential to place them in order according to the numbered sequence. Once everything is steady, he starts assembling and gluing them together. This part is straightforward, just applying hot glue on the back of the mirrors, and sticking them together in numerical order. If you still have power on your phone, please lend a hand to help this rural uncle, by giving him a free little star to support and encourage him. Thank you very much. After the fluid and smooth operation, the solar cooker is completed. Let's test its effectiveness under the sun. Uncle puts some straw at the center position, and it ignites instantly. Boiling water and cooking are both a breeze. What do you think about this creation? Feel free to leave your comments in the comments section. Stay tuned for more creative productions in the next episode.